Ever wondered how to make the perfect homemade pizza? Well, you're not alone. Many of us have ventured down this road only to be met with challenges. The dough that won't rise, the sauce that's too runny, the toppings that just don't seem right. And let's not even start on the common misconception that making a good pizza at home is a task for the culinary elite. But fear not, with the right guidance and a bit of practice, you can create your own perfect pizza right in your kitchen. Scene script. Ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of pizza making? Let's get started. First, you'll need to make the dough. It's a simple combination of flour, yeast, salt, water, and a drizzle of olive oil. Knead it well until it's smooth and elastic. This step is crucial as it develops the gluten, giving your pizza that desired chewy texture. Let the dough rest for at least an hour. The longer it rests, the more flavor it develops. Next, it's time to prepare the sauce. A classic tomato sauce is a blend of ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, garlic, and a pinch of salt. Simmer it slowly to let the flavors meld together. Remember, a good sauce is the heart of any pizza, so don't rush this step. Choosing the right toppings is where you can let your creativity shine. Mozzarella is a classic choice for cheese, but don't be afraid to experiment. Add your favorite veggies, meats, or even fruits. Just remember, less is more when it comes to toppings. You don't want to overwhelm the pizza. Lastly, it's time to bake the pizza. Preheat your oven to its highest setting. A hot oven is key to achieving a crispy crust. Slide your pizza in and bake until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. And there you have it, a delicious homemade pizza right out of your oven. Now you might be asking, why go through all the trouble of making pizza at home? Well, let's dive into the benefits that make this endeavor so worth it. First off, you have total control over the ingredients. No more worrying about hidden sugars or preservatives. You choose what goes onto your pizza, allowing you to cater to dietary restrictions or personal preferences. Then there's the satisfaction of crafting something from scratch. There's something truly rewarding about kneading your own dough, spreading your homemade sauce, and watching it all come together in the oven. It's not just about the end product, but the journey you take to get there. Finally, consider the possibility of turning pizza making into a fun family activity. It's a wonderful way to spend quality time together, engaging everyone from the little ones to the adults. So not only do you get a delicious meal, but you also create memories and a sense of accomplishment. Now, who's up for a pizza night?